Namaste to all from Abbey Falls.
Now we have come to a place known as Abbey Falls. Here we have to take the ticket.
Abbey Falls is a popular waterfalls in Coorg district in Karnataka. River Kaveri cascades from the cliff with a height of 70 feet over a wide rock, creating a spectacular view.
For every 50 meters, dustbin is kept so that cleanliness should be maintained by the visitors.
Abbey Falls is at a distance of 8 kilometers from Madikeri city. Access to this falls is in between this coffee plantation. A proper pathway is done to reach the falls. You have to climb down 200 long steps to reach the falls.
Even inside this, you will find Robusta coffee plantation. Everywhere, Coorg is filled with coffee plantation.
It's the land of coffee.
As you know, Coorg is known as the Scotland of India. And now from here you can see the falls.
Compared to other falls in Karnataka, this falls is much smaller but has a very beautiful scenic view. During monsoons, the waterfall becomes much thicker with roaring sound. The best time to visit Abbey Falls is during monsoons, when its scenic beauty is at its best.
And here you can see this Abbey Falls. We got our photos clicked from this photographer. The soft copies will be transferred to our phone. Our photo is coming out from the printer.
ओके सर थैंक यू सर एक सेकेंड सर सद्य को खुश है
और वो सॉफ्ट कॉपी भी देना
Is running a small business here.
तुम्हारा फर्स्ट देखो मेरे चैनल ये फुल से घटो मेरा ये आप अच्छा है ये 3-4 भी अच्छा है खुद अच्छा है देखो मेरा ये कैंडल फोटो 3-4 के
These are the two photos we got it clicked from him. Now we are going back to our car. While going down towards the falls, we didn't feel tiring. But now we have to climb the high altitude. It's difficult to climb, very tiring. We have to sit at some spot to take rest. After coming back from the Abbey Falls, everybody takes a stop here to refresh themselves because the journey back is very tiring. It's a good business for this shop. This is for me to refresh myself. Here in the shop you get churmuri, varieties of spicy churmuri. There's cucumbers and some soft drinks. It's nice to refresh here. We are visiting Rajara Gadduge Udyanavana. The entry fee here is 10 rupees per person.
Raja's tomb is also known as Rajara Gadduge. It is a 19th century monument located in Mahadevpet near Madikeri. It is dedicated to the royal family of. It was constructed by King Shri Doddavira Rajendra. In this garden, there are three monuments. These monuments have domes and minarets inspired by the Islamic architecture. But these monuments are constructed by the Hindu rulers, and the tomb inside belongs to King Doddavira Rajendra and his family members.
Now we have come to visit this government museum. Actually, this is a fort. Within the fort, there is a museum.
Madikeri Fort is also known as Markara Fort.
That is the entrance. There is a big wall surrounding this place, and this actually it is a fort area.
It was built by Muddu Raja in the 17th century. Later, it was conquered by many other kings, and the changes were made according to their requirements. At the entrance of the fort, you can see two huge elephants installed.
Let's see what it is. This is under the Archaeological Survey of India. They have mentioned about the fort.
Inside the fort complex, there is a church also, which was later converted to museum.
And this is a small museum, government museum. As you enter this museum, first thing you get to see is this Ganesh Murti. This is of 12th and 13th century.
Most of the statues and artifacts were recovered from the construction sites from the nearby places in Coorg. This museum displays various kinds of antique pieces which belong to the land of Coorg.
This is known as Mudi. And it belongs to 18th century. And these are the seals used in the 17th and 18th century. Maybe some may be little older than that also.
I'm working as an assistant conservator of forest in Tadoba division.
Okay,
Tadoba
very nice.
rosettes. It's clouded rings are called as rosettes.
Okay.
When you observe that, that will be panther.
Panther.
And if it's cheetah, then it's with only dots and tear lines.
Okay.
If without tear lines, then that's called as leopard.
Leopard.
Spots and skin patterns. Densest tiger density.
Which Tadoba National
Park, Tadoba National Park. Tadoba Andhari Tiger Reserve.
Okay. The most beautiful one is the 17th century diya made of stone. It's totally carved in the stone. These were the weighing stones used in the 18th and 19th century. This cannon belongs to the 1841 AD. Just here, this beautiful diya This is known as the Gajalakshmi hanging lamp.
Thanks for watching my vlog. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. In my next vlog, I'll be showing you all the Raja Seat garden. Until then, goodbye.